The purpose of the Beechjet 400A Preflight inspection is to check the general condition of the aircraft and ensure its readiness for flight. Check particularly for any fuel, oil, and hydraulic leaks. Verify that all fasteners and panels are secure. Open the cabin door by pushing in on the handle release button, pulling the handle out, and rotating it clockwise. Lower the steps into position. Begin the cockpit pre-flight inspection by ensuring that the airplane flight manual, crew manuals, and weight and balance manual are on board. Check that the airworthiness certificate and the registration certificate are properly displayed. Remove and stow the control lock. Ensure the microphone and headsets are in good working order. Check that the flashlight operates correctly and then stow it properly. Verify the fire extinguisher is correctly charged and properly stowed. Check the condition of the smoke goggles. Check the condition and fit of the oxygen mask. Ensure that all circuit breakers are as required for takeoff. Ensure that the parking brake is set. Verify the landing gear handle is down. Ensure that both thrust levers are in the cutoff position. Set all trims as required. Ensure the engine start select switch is in the off position. Confirm that the oxygen pressure gauge reads 1850 psi and the nitrogen gauge reads between 1350 and 1600. Ensure the cockpit windows are clean and free from cracks and crazing. Select the battery switch to on and check for a minimum of 22 volts. Ensure the fire extinguisher switches are off and indications are clear. Check that the fuel quantity and balance are correct. Verify the landing gear handle is down and that the 3 green gear down and lock denunciators are illuminated. Then select the switch to off. Next, perform the cabin pre-flight inspection. Check that the first aid kit is sealed and stowed. Verify the cabin fire extinguisher is charged and stowed. Ensure the emergency exit is closed and clear of any obstructions. Verify the locking pin is removed and stowed. Check that the cabin windows are clean and free from cracks and crazing. Ensure all passenger seats and tray tables are upright, stowed, and in good condition. Check that the life jackets are in good condition and stowed properly. Confirm the galley is stocked and that all equipment is in good repair. Ensure the toilet has been serviced. Secure any loose articles in the carry-on baggage compartment. Resume the pre-flight inspection by checking the door seal for cuts and abrasions. Ensure the exterior door handle is correctly stowed. Verify the upper and lower static ports are clear and unobstructed. Make a visual check under the fuselage of the antennas and the outside air temperature probe. Ensure the angle of attack sensor is undamaged and moves freely. Check the condition and security of the windshield wiper. Ensure that the ice detector is undamaged. Verify the avionics compartment door is closed and secure. Ensure the pitot and static drain ports are closed. Check the condition and security of the nose gear doors. Examine the nose wheel tire and tread for signs of excessive wear. Ensure the nose wheel steering pin is connected. Confirm that the valve stem cover is secure. Examine the strut for proper extension. On the left forward fuselage, ensure the cabin air discharge duct is clear of obstructions. Verify that the pitot mast is clear, secure, and undamaged. Check that the landing light door is secure. Visually check the windshield and radome. On the right forward fuselage, ensure the pitot mast is clear, secure, and undamaged. Verify the landing light door is secure. Ensure the cabin air discharge duct is clear and free from damage. Ensure the pitot and static drain ports are clear and undamaged. Ensure the green oxygen blowout disc is intact. Again, check the tire for excessive wear. Verify the avionics compartment door is closed and secure. Check the condition and security of the windshield wiper. Verify that the angle of attack sensor is undamaged and moves freely. Ensure the upper and lower static ports are clear. Verify the emergency exit is closed and flush with the fuselage. Visually inspect the dorsal fin inlet for obstructions. Check the wing inspection light for security and signs of a burned-out bulb. At the wing root, ensure the wing leading edge inlet is clear. Inspect the center fuselage tank drain for damage and security. Inspect the fuel quick drains for damage. 2 of the 3 are at the wing root. Check the wing leading edge stall strip and fence for security. Check that the filler cap is on and secure. Ensure the fuel tank vent is clear and undamaged. Verify the 2 sniffle valves are undamaged and that there are no signs of excessive fuel leakage. Inspect the 3rd fuel quick drain on the wing tip. Ensure the wing tip vent inlet is clear. Check the navigation and strobe lights for security. Check that the wing anti-ice exhaust port is free of obstructions. Moving around the wing tip, verify that the 3 static wicks are secure and undamaged. Check the roll trim tab upper and lower surfaces and the castle nuts for security. Check the spoilers and flaps for condition and damage. Inspect the right main landing gear wheel well for condition. Verify that all cable, hydraulic, and electrical lines are secure. Inspect the doors for signs of damage and security. Check the tires for signs of tread wear and ensure there are 7 bolts on the wheel. Verify the strut extension is within limits. Check that the center tank vent outlet is clear and undamaged. Check that the mixer bay vent outlet is clear and undamaged. Inspect the fuel filter drain for damage. Verify that the 2 lower fuselage vent outlets are secure and undamaged. Moving up to the right engine nacelle, check the condition of the fan duct and fan blades for signs of damage. Confirm that the engine inlet screws align with the slip marks. Ensure the generator inlet is free from obstruction. Open the engine oil access door. Visually check the engine oil level by the dipstick. Replace the cap and ensure it is correctly installed and locked securely. Close the oil access door. Ensure the drain lines are clear and undamaged. Ensure the thrust reverser is undamaged and stowed. Verify the engine exhaust and bypass duct are unobstructed and that there are no signs of damage. Open the fuselage fuel filler door and ensure the sniffle valve is undamaged and there are no signs of excessive leakage. Ensure the fuel filler cap is secure and locked. Visually check the upper aft fuselage vent outlet for obstruction. Check the temperature sensor for signs of damage. Verify the external power door is closed if not using external power. Ensure the cooling air discharge duct is clear and undamaged. Ensure the two fuel vent ports are undamaged. Ensure the right aft fuselage vent is clear. Verify the air conditioning inlets are clear. Moving around the tail, visually check the elevator for condition and ensure the stabilizer trim aligns with the green indicator mark. Verify that the 4 static wicks are secure and undamaged. Verify the tail floodlights are secure. Check the rudder and trim tab and 2 static wicks for security and condition. Check the condition of the navigation and strobe lights and the recognition light. On the left aft side of the airplane, ensure that the aft fuselage vent inlet is clear and undamaged. Check that the air conditioning outlets are clear. Ensure the upper aft fuselage vent is clear and undamaged. Verify the red discharge fire extinguisher indicator is present and that the seal is undamaged. Open the aft baggage compartment. Ensure each fire bottle shows a pressure between 580 and 600 psi. Check the quantity of the hydraulic fluid reservoir sight gauge. When exiting the baggage compartment, turn off the light and close and secure the access door. Ensure the left engine exhaust and bypass duct are free from obstructions. Ensure the thrust reverser is undamaged and stowed. Verify the engine drain lines are clear. Open the engine oil access door and visually check the engine oil level by the dipstick. Replace the dipstick and ensure the cap is correctly installed and locked securely. Confirm that the engine inlet screws align with the slip marks. Check the fan duct for obstructions and the fan blades for damage. Verify the generator inlet is clear. Check the brake system accumulator for a pressure of 900 plus or minus 50 psi. Inspect the main landing gear wheel well for general condition. Verify that all cable, hydraulic, and electrical lines are secure. Inspect the landing gear door for security and damage. Check the tires for signs of tread wear. Ensure there are 7 bolts on the wheel. Verify the strut extension is within limits. Inspect the fuel filter drain for damage. Moving down the trailing edge of the wing, check the flaps for security. Check the spoilers and roll trim tab for condition. Verify that the 3 static wicks are secure and undamaged. The wing anti-ice exhaust port should be clear of obstruction. Moving around the wingtip, check the navigation and strobe lights for security. Confirm that the wingtip vent inlet is clear and undamaged. Inspect the fuel quick drain on the wingtip. Ensure the 2 sniffle valves are undamaged and not leaking fuel. Ensure the fuel tank vent inlet is clear. Confirm that the fuel filler cap is locked and secure. Check the general condition of the fence and stall strip. Visually check that the dorsal fin inlet is clear and undamaged. Check that the fuel quick drains are secure. Ensure the wing leading edge inlet is clear. Inspect the center fuselage tank drain for damage and security. Check the wing inspection light for security and signs of a burned-out bulb. This concludes the exterior inspection. To close the cabin door, first pull the steps inward, push the door release button, pull the door in and rotate the handle clockwise into position. Visually check the 8 sight windows to confirm the door latched properly. This concludes the pre-flight inspection of the Beechjet 400A.